the best cooking process and best recipe which is training in Dubai. I don't at the moment I don't have full recipe and full process, but in the next video I will come with full process. And this is the recipe from our executive chef Harry Glass, and he is from France and he has lot of experience and lot of skill. So during this COVID, we are not allowed to keep buffet. We are doing as a chef service. Meaning of chef service, guests they will just check our barbecue and will make, then will serve to guests. If you want to see the next video and the full process of the cooking our best barbecue, just keep watching and just wait for my next video. Thank you and please enjoy the video. This is my marination. As you can see, this is very nice dressing marination. I keep it here barbecue sauce and smoky barbecue liquid. It will give a nice barbecue flavor. And I add there salt, pepper, Cajun spice and lot of rosemary and thyme. I add a little bit olive oil also. When I make my marination, after that I marinate with my brisket. Then I leave for the 48 hours. Reason of keeping in the marination, we need the flavor from our food. That's why. As you can see, this is my brisket. Brisket always good for the long roasting. So I marinate my brisket with barbecue sauce, salt, pepper, little bit Cajun spice and lot of rosemary and thymes. So we keep it in the marination for 48 hours. Whatever we marinate and whatever we are cooking, we need good marination and we need to keep in the marination in advance. So I keep it my brisket for long roasting. As I can say, temperature is 80 and total timing for 7 hours. Whenever you are roasting something, temperature should be medium, not high, not low. This is the best practice and this is the best cooking method. Later on, I will show you what is the process, full process. Beef ribs. This is the new recipe from our executive chef Terry Glass. He is from France, and I got the recipe for the full process. This is the ribs, and this is a very nice quality. And this is we marinate with ketchup and Mexican spices, Cajun spice, then salt, pepper, and a lot of herbs. Then we marinate it 48 hours. This is ready for the smoker. After we cook it in the oven 7 hours, we need to put in the smoker machine. Then we'll get nice smoky flavor. This is the brisket. I will show you in the next video. I will show you what is the full process and how we will serve to guests. In how many, in a different way we can cook. I will show you in a different way. Say one more time, sir. Channel. Today I am making chicken sistau and Chef Pankaj is making lamb kofta. In the sistau, I will tell you what is the ingredient going inside the sistau marination. First of all, we need yogurt, Arabic spices, ginger garlic, Arabic chili paste, lemon juice, and little bit cumin and coriander. Then we need to cut our chicken breast as a cube size. Then we need to marinate. Then we need to keep it in the chiller. Today we are making best barbecue in the town. As well we can say Dubai. Here is our chef, executive chef. His name is Chef Thierry Glass from France. And this is the recipe from Chef Thierry. Welcome back to my best grill in Dubai. This is sisau, which is I made yesterday with our spices. I keep it there yogurt, salt, little bit pepper, lemon juice, Arabic chili paste, cumin powder, and Arabic spices. Then I keep it in the marination for 48 hours minimum. Reason of keeping in the marination, chicken will observe all the marination. You can see our sisau is already grilled on another side. I will turn one by one. Then I'll leave it. I will keep it little bit of oil just to give nice smoke. And this is our garden green vegetable. We marinate with salt, pepper, olive oil, and oregano. We'll grill, and we have a lot of pickle there. This is our homemade pickle, and we have garlic, butter, curry spice, and fish sauces. Later on, we'll serve with the sauce as per the guest request. This is the whole beef. This is a 10 kg big red snapper. This is the new recipe. Later on, I will keep it in the description. Then you can read. And this is the beef brisket. We made it with our homemade seasoning. I will tell you in a shortcut. We keep it in the marination, barbecue, salt, pepper, Cajun spice, and a lot of herbs. Then we keep it in the marination for 48 hours. Then we roast it 7 hours in the medium temperature, and we keep it in the smoker machine. And now this is the final touch. This is quite hot, so I'll use